Welcome to 91 Cabin Trail Crescent, a gorgeous 4-bedroom detached home with 3 washrooms situated in a very family-minded neighbourhood of Stouffville. The glass panel double doors of its covered front porch are accented with scrolled wrought iron inserts and offer a befitting entrance into a main level that exudes an aura of refined elegance. Wainscoting finishes the foyer and hallway, with the hallway's dark hardwood flooring continued into the living and dining rooms, while in addition to natural light streaming through windows complete with California shutters are upgraded contemporary light fixtures throughout, as well as new pot lighting in the formal entertaining spaces. A neutral decor and diffused natural lighting accentuates the timeless elegance of the combined living and dining rooms, both which are warmed by a gas fireplace, while the lighting from a modern pendant chandelier above the dining area brings a sense of intimacy to the space. Stone flooring with an accent border finishes the breakfast area and the beautifully upgraded kitchen. Featuring dark cabinetry complete with a pantry, the kitchen additionally showcases glass-tiled backsplashes laid vertically, quartz counters, a double sink, a stainless steel gas stove with a high-end faux tile slant vent range hood and a stainless mosaic backsplash, as well as a stainless steel French door fridge, microwave, and dishwasher. The sliding door walkout has light diffusing privacy blinds and opens to a southwest-facing backyard that is fully fenced, has a stone patio area, and ample room for outdoor play, entertaining, and gardening. The main level also features a sunken landing finished with hardwood that offers access to an unspoiled lower level with a cold room and a laundry area with washer and dryer. And stone flooring also finishes another sunken landing that provides access to the single-car garage, a powder room that has a wood vanity with vessel basin, and the foyer, which has a coat closet. Walk to the upper level is a staircase with a classic light and dark finish, the staircase and upper hall brightened with light through a staircase window, and by a stunning contemporary chandelier. This level showcases hardwood flooring throughout, 4 bedrooms, all with light diffusing zebra blinds on their windows, as well as 2 upgraded washrooms. The main washroom featuring tiled finishes, a glass shower with mosaic accent borders and a rainfall shower head, as well as a wood vanity with vessel basins. The spacious 4th bedroom has a large northeast-facing bay window with its niche easily accommodating a sitting or study area. The 3rd bedroom also has space for a study area, and both it and the 2nd bedroom enjoy bright light through their southerly-facing windows, and all 3 of these bedrooms have double-sized closets with single doors. The graciously sized master suite is filled with light through large north and southwest-facing windows, and this lovely retreat has ample room for a sitting area, a walk-in closet, as well as an upgraded ensuite washroom with a modern vanity with a wood grain veneer, 2 vessel basins and matching mirror, stone flooring, as well as upgraded tiles surrounding the soaker tub, and finishing a glass shower with a pebble stone floor and a rainfall shower head. Enjoying a great central location, this home is a short walk to Wendat Public, St. Brendan Catholic Elementary, and Stouffville District Secondary Schools, is steps from the Stouffville Leisure Centre and Memorial Park, and is also close to public and GO transit, sports and recreational facilities, a smart center Stouffville shopping mall, as well as the numerous shops, restaurants, and entertainment found along Stouffville's historic Main Street, with access to Highway 48 to connect to other major thoroughfares just a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.